Changing the email link to your Shopify account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Visit the Shopify website and log in using your current email and password. Ensure you have access to your account before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your account name or profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account or Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Update your email address. In Account Settings, look for the section labeled Email or Contact Information. Enter your new email address in the provided field, ensuring it is typed correctly. Step 4. Save changes. After entering your new email address, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. This step is crucial to ensure your new email is updated in the system. Step 5. Verify your new email. Check your new email inbox for verification email from Shopify. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm the change. This step is necessary to complete the update process. After following these steps, your Shopify account will be linked to your new email address. Make sure to check your inbox for any important notifications related to your account.